Welcome to my project. My project title is Swachh Rail, an advanced system for water leak prevention and enhanced passenger hygiene. Before entering into the presentation, I would like to share the problem statement. It was given by the government of Kerala. It promotes that to make that leakage of water in a non-revenue water leakage. I take it is on a train toilet because once upon a time, me and my friend travel in a time. At that time, the train water is leakage, and then after some time, the toilet have insufficient of water. I have made the 3D diagram of my project. First of all, if someone wants to enter into the train toilet, means they used to make a push button. At that time, the door lock will open. At that time, I used to fix with a sensors. It will automatically check the any waste is detected, means it will automatically cleaning. And then using an use of sensors to make that if any particle is present inside the toilet, means it will automatically changes. And then I'm using a solenoid valve. Based on the solenoid valve, it will pump out the water. It will automatically makes the how much amount of water is detected, means at that time it will used to make it based on the sensors, it will used to flush out the water. And then if any fault is detected, means I used to make it with a sensor, used to make it with a firmware. Used of it, we can use to detect that how any particle is any exception is any sensors or any water leakage is present, means it will automatically it will send a message. Use of data have been collected, and then we can use it to rectify it. And then this is the process flow architecture of my project. Here I used 3 types of controller. First of all, I use an ESP32 controller as the firmware, and then controller IDs and master, and then I have used these two slaves, slave 1 and slave 2. Slave 1 is a controller used to connect with the sensors and actuators to control the water flow, and then use of firmware I can use to connect with any fault is finded or any water is leakage is present, means it will automatically send a message. Use of ESP32 I can make it as a firmware for that. If any fault is find, means it will automatically check and then use it to rectify it. And I am using an ARM processor. If we implement in the train toilets, means every train toilet have a 12 to 14. Every compartment having different toilets. If second compartment have there is no water in the toilet, means it will automatically use it to check, and then you can use it will automatically change over that and equalize the water levels. For that I am using an RF communication between them to maintain that how much amount of water is present in that. It will automatically monitored by the loco pilots and then pilots, and then use of firmware we can use it to check any fault or any water leakage is present, when it will automatically check.